Okay, so we are recording. Anyway, what I want to show you first of all in this particular video, which should be very short, is what you should do if you're on campus and you want to start up Arena. So you go to the desktop here and you'll notice that Arena is not on the desktop anywhere. So the bad news is that you have to start up this academic remote apps, which looks like the Internet Explorer. And as soon as you do that, you'll get this message coming up that Java wants to do an update, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so just cancel that, just say no. And then you'll get this window, which is a Windows Security IE Explorer connecting to App Server 7 or whatever. The App Server is the one that you do have to connect to. So here you have to log in with your own user credentials. So whatever your username is and whatever your password is. And then you'll get another login screen and another one of these, which you make go away. And then log in again. Oh, you may not see this the first time you log in. So please, this is what you have to remember. You have to remember that the domain is Valpo. And then there's a backward slash. That's what that thing is right after VALPO. And the model for it is right here, domain backward slash username. And it does matter whether it's a backward slash or a forward slash. So type in Valpo backslash and then your username again, and then log in again with your password. And if all goes well, then you should see that kind of a screen. These are all of the remote apps that can be delivered to the computer that you happen to be sitting on. Those apps are not really living on the computer. They're just available for you. So if you get to this point, now you can click on one of these apps and it will run it for you and start it up. And you can see that it's saying starting Arena. And it will be a bit slower than if you were running this on your own machine, but not horrible, at least not for Arena. So you see it took not a minute even, not even 30 seconds. It took probably about 15 seconds to load this thing. And then you just say okay to this training mode, and now you're in Arena and this all works. Okay? When you are here, you've got to make sure and save your work to your shared drive. That is, not the shared drive, to your own student drive. And all of you should have one created. And if you don't, then we need to talk and get one set up for you. You don't want to be fooling with the Google Drive, I don't think. Everybody has a Google Drive somewhere. But I don't think you want to fool with that for this. You should just go ahead and go to File, Save As, and then you should find your, under this PC, you should see, well, let's do that. Down here, your home drive. I think it'll be for most of you, I think it'll be your H drive. And so you can just go to your H drive and save it there. Okay? That is it. So this is for any of you who happen to be on campus, because you're probably not going to see this if you're off campus unless you have made a tunnel into the university in some devious way. Okay, question?
Is there a way to get to the web apps from a laptop, the remote apps?
Yes, there is a way, but it's very convoluted.
Okay.
And that's what I'm saying. There's a tunneling way, but it's complicated. And I'm not sure that I could even walk you through it exactly. I think so if you have a laptop, I wouldn't do it that way.
Okay.
I mean, that's a good question. It makes sense because you would like to see the same thing that everybody else sees. But actually having a laptop of your own is superior to trying to run it through this network because of that extra nonsense that we just went through. Okay. So basically 2 different ways to do it. If you've got your own computer, laptop, desktop, whatever, install Arena on it one way or another, and then you're good to go. If you're on campus here, you can go through the remote app and get it to run that way. Okay? So that is